American Steel Classic Cars, an automotive dealership specializing in classic and unique cars. Every now and then, I discover a really neat car shop that I enjoy sharing with all of y'all. This is the American Steel Classics Humble Showroom in Celeste, Texas. That's North Texas. Operated by Tony Cedillo, a very likable young man who, well, he has to commute to work in his scissor lift. I was watching a video about a car show in my area. It took place in Celeste, Texas, a town that I used to help arrange car meets, cruises, etc. with my friend Connie Sue Crawford, whom has since passed away. The car show was a huge success with Dennis Collins, Richard Rawlings, and other folks of notoriety, and I really think you ought to check it out. I will have a link to that video down below in the description. My question to you might be, are you looking for a MoPar? Well, primarily MoPar. American Steel Classics has a lot of brands, yet they seem to specialize mostly with MoPar related cars. Challengers, Chargers, Superbees, Barracudas, that kind of jazz. A really neat place. While this is primarily a shop tour, going through American Steel Classics in Celeste, Texas is like going through a museum. So many great collectible cars. As I continue with the show and tell of this really cool shop, I would like to thank you very much for joining me. Welcome to either Road Odyssey, where I have mostly car content, or Motoring Fanatic, where it's primarily road trips, museums, parks, things like that. So please subscribe down below. I appreciate that very much. Click on that like button, hugely important. And if you don't mind, hey, give me a comment. What do you think of this shop? And what else would you like to see from this place? Let me know in the comments below. And thank you again very much. Of course, if you are interested in this shop, you can easily do a Google search. And this is pretty much what it looks like. There's a lot of information there. Website, Facebook, Instagram, blah, 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 blah. All that kind of good stuff. And you also find some very good ratings. Nice. I want to show you the website first. From there, you get all the basic information that you could ever need. I certainly enjoy browsing through the inventory. Always the most fun part. And there are a lot of beauties to behold. American Steel Classics began life through buying, saving, and building a very large volume of classic cars. They have a serious passion for saving collectible and unique classic vehicles and those forgotten cars, restoring the cars to be put back on the road for others to enjoy. You could say that American Steel is very enthusiastic in terms of placing that perfect car in the hands of the most appreciative owners. Here is the Facebook page. I always like telling y'all about Facebook in terms of some of these shops because it gives you a really good mechanism for messaging these shops and asking questions from time to time. And you never know, some of these shops may have a really cool event. Well, heck, like the one at American Steel in Celeste, Texas for the car show. That was great. Gives you a really good mechanism for tying into these shops and learning more about them. I highly suggest you go out to YouTube and get on the American Steel Classics YouTube channel. The link is down below as well. And check out any and all of the videos that you might be interested in. The reason being is that, number one, if you're in the middle of a build, the walkarounds are really pretty decent and you can see a lot of details. So if you're looking for fitment issues or things that you can do for your build, the videos are very nice. So it's kind of a catalog type situation where you can learn in that respect. And again, the views are good enough. They kind of make you feel like you're right there with the car. So if you can't get out there, this is definitely the next best thing other than maybe FaceTiming or something like that. But I really do like the YouTube videos. They are good. Well done. Well, back to walking around the cars throughout the shop. Really, really cool. They are packed in. I could squeeze through the majority of them, and getting photographs was a little bit tough in this situation, as you could probably imagine. But you can see that they really do have the cars. They are as advertised on their website, Facebook, and here on YouTube as well. So they are real. They are good, and they are very well taken care of. I believe there is a second shop in Allen, Texas, just south of Celeste, where I'm kind of certain where American Steel has its roots. But there's more to that. And again, why does American Steel Classics exist? Well, they are a part of MoPar's 5150. They are very much associated, affiliated, and just hooked at the hips. So MoPar 5150 has a very good website, Facebook page, and YouTube channel as well that I really, really, really think you would enjoy checking out. So that's MoPar's 5150. Be sure to check out their YouTube channel. I think you'll like a lot of it. Being that American Steel Classics is joined at the hip with MoPar's 5150, implies that American Steel Classics has a lot of clout. Seriously, their inventory captivates even well-known stars like Richard Rawlings and Dennis Collins. And honorable mention is also Wesley Zachary from the Netflix TV show Tex-Mex Motors. He has done some recent work for American Steel, very good work. Zachary Customs is a great shop that I have done a video for in the past, and I'm working on one for them again right now. So shout out to Mr. Wesley Zachary, Zachary Customs, really a just high level, top shelf custom car shop, also right there in Celeste, Texas. American Steel Classics at specifically 102 North 2nd Street. The best contact information I have for you right now is for you to call Tony Cedillo at 505-503-3274 for all inquiries. Have at it. Anything you'd wish to tell people?
Well, if you're looking for a classic car, American Steel Classics, Celeste, Texas, Hunt County, 20 minutes north of Greenville. We've got a large variety, MoPars mainly, but we like them all. We've got Fords, we've got Chevys, we've got some Buicks. So yeah, come on out, check us out. We're here during the week. Anything from classic restored cars to resto mods to some modern stuff. So we're here, and come see us.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate you watching this video. Y'all are great. And please remember, subscribe down below, hit that like button, leave a good informative comment or give a question. Now, you can go out, remember, you got Google, you can find everything on Google about American Steel, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, you name it, you can find them. Don't be shy. Send them a message, ask them, hey, can I go by the shop, look at a few cars, I'm interested in this, that, and the other. And just let them know what you're searching for. You know, if you need a donor car or just that perfect special project car, give them a buzz. You never know. And with that, thank you so much for watching. Please relax. Take it easy. Thank you for watching Road Odyssey or Motoring Fanatic, and I will see you later. Bye.